What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Sess.Builds. We're back at it again with another car this time. You guys, if you didn't see my last video, go watch it, but I'm going to spoil it and let you know that I got an E30 with an S52 swap. Yep, you heard it right. I still have the G42, but now we've added this guy. So nothing major today. We're just gonna start doing some deep cleaning on the car. I already started, but I am going to bring you guys with me on this journey. And yeah, I got a steamer, I got the greaser, I got all-purpose cleaner, I got wheel cleaner. I mean, I got a bunch of stuff. Let me show you what the inside looks like now. It's probably gonna look the same on camera, but in person it looks better. We're working with, this is the interior. Honestly, very mint. It's got some cracks and some things here and there, but nothing that's too crazy. Aftermarket steering wheel. It is on air suspension, on airlift, 5-speed with the S52. And yeah, so I'm just going through pretty much with the doors, and this looks a lot better now than what it did before. And yeah, we're just kind of going through. I got Q-tips, just going through all the cracks and the small spaces on the car. And yeah, let's just get to cleaning. Alright guys, well, steaming done. What else did I do? I did like an all-purpose cleaner on the whole car, and I just started doing the carpet. So I'm going to deep clean the carpets. I have this little machine, and of course the scrubber, and so far so good. I left my light over there, so let me grab it. Let me show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the after. Looks really clean. There are some parts that I couldn't get into because it's just so tight, like back there. You can tell the difference, the brown here and the not so brown here, and there. So still working on it. Let's do the rest of the car. So I've only done half of the car, and look how gross that is. That is probably 32 years worth of carpet junk. So we did this side, looking good. Then we need to do the passenger sides, and we should be done with the carpets. And we're gonna then we're going to air freshen the car and a lot more. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm taking the car to Fly Air, so they can do an alignment on the car. It looks like, from what it looks like, the wheels look like they're staggered. I haven't checked, but they look staggered. So I had to stop cleaning the carpet because my carpet cleaner is so messed up. It made a mess. Look, they got a mess. So those towels are wet because it was leaking everywhere. It's a little dry now thanks to that fan, but all of this was a puddle, just like one big ass puddle. So yeah, I give up. I did 3 out of 4 sides, and now for the main event, we're going to do this guy. Whoa. Meguiar's whole car air refreshener, odor eliminator, permanent odor eliminator. It says you open it, close your windows. It says to turn on the AC, but you know, race car, no AC. So we'll just crack it open, 15 minutes, and then air it out for 10-15 minutes. So while this does this thing, I'm going to get food because I'm hungry. It is 7-Eleven. So let's get a little food and we'll do this guy. Well guys, project car, right? So I went to do the whole air freshener thing, and when I went to go put up this window, it does not go up. So I took it apart, and the cable's not broken, it's stuck. So I'm gonna have to go buy a piece for this. In the meantime, food time. What the hell? Alright guys, from this. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna do is condition the seats. Once we do that, we're all done. Let me show you a before and after. Why not? So alright, so this is before. Honestly, it's not too bad. But you can tell it's a little faded, a little gray. So just give it a little spray. is the after. A little nicer, less gray, a little more black. It looks good. Gotta wipe that off. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the rest of the car. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe. We got a new build. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel because there's going to be more E30 content. We're still building the G42. The wheels are coming soon, so stay put. I'll see you next time.